Hello, magandang umaga. Atin lang pong balikan ang naganap na hearing noon sa panahon ng pamumuno ni Pampilo Lacson regarding po doon sa flood control scandal. At alam naman po natin na para bang gusto talagang baluktutin nila Pampilo Lacson, Erwin Tulfo, Rapi Tulfo, ang batas kasama na si Boyeng Rimulya, mga kababayan. So pakinggan lang po muna natin ito mga pagtatalo nila doon sa Senado.
Mr. Secretary, a couple of days ago, in the last hearing when you were here, we somehow settled the issue that restitution is not a requisite for an applicant to the WPP. Is that correct?
It's not in the law. But sa akin ko kasi, hindi lang po batas na nag-dictate ito. It's also what is morally right, what is expected of us. Yan po kasi, kahit hindi nilagay sa batas, mga given po yan sa ating lipunan.
What do you mean by that, Mr. Secretary?
Kasi wala nga sa batas yung ano.
Wala nga sa batas.
Yung
Ano
requirements
nilalagay mo sa batas?
for admission to the witness protection. Ang restitution is not part of it.
Yes, it is not.
Pero hindi ho nakakahulugan na hindi namin pwede i-layout yan depending on the case.
Mr. Secretary, I am still in the stage where a particular applicant wishes to apply under that program. And there is a process. In the process, restitution is not one of the requisites. Is that correct?
Opo, pero if it's in terms of this
Teka
case
muna.
being a financial crime, sir, this is a crime against the
Mr. Secretary.
financial status of the Filipino people, of the Philippine Republic. I think that it's just right.
Mr.
that we ask.
Secretary, are you amending the provision of the
No,
law?
sir. No, sir. But that is how we run the witness protection program.
As a lawyer, Secretary, may I ask you, in a criminal prosecution, the civil liability is impliedly instituted. Is that correct?
Of course.
Kaya nga eh. Hindi naman nangangahulugan kung sakasakali na natapos na yung criminal prosecution, kapag ka nakita na mayroong criminal liability yung tao, because it is impliedly implied, doon lang magkakaroon ng restitution. It will come after. Paano mo sasabihin na magre-restitute ang isang tao? Meron na bang findings kung magkano i-restitute on how it can be restituted? Nag-a-apply pa lang eh. Huwag po ninyong babaguhin ang requisite ng batas, Mr. Secretary. I thought nung dumating ka dito, nagkaintindihan na tayo eh. Kaya nabablar ang proceedings natin eh. Kaya nga kinote ni, siguro, ang chairman kanina gusto kong ituloy ito. Sinabi niya, nagpa-interview siya, na goodwill and sincerity should be done para i-test. Pwede ba yung ganito?
I respect your opinion, sir. But
It
that's
is not
how...
my opinion, it is in the law, Mr. Secretary.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But I am
And
operating...
the arbiter
Sir,
is
can I
the
speak,
law.
sir? May I speak, sir?
Yes, you
I'm
allow me.
operating from the
Senator
from
Marcoleta,
the
kindly allow
vantage
the
point of the
results,
reason
sir.
behind the law, sir. What is the reason behind the law? So
Ano to, kung paano harangin
we
nila
can
ang
get
Lacson?
justice,
Kaya
and justice can
magsalita
only be
si
attained if there's
Marcoleta.
restitution. So that is the principle
Si,
behind all of these things that we are
Boyeng
talking
Rimulya.
about now.
Mr. Secretary, restitution will come after. It cannot be.
Sir, it can come before or after, sir. It can come before or
You
after.
cite the law that it come before. Wala nga po sa batas eh.
Sir,
Huwag po ninyo babaguhin ang
Sir,
batas, Mr. Secretary.
we are operating on a unique set of facts, and we are all of these matters are being evaluated because the gravity of this financial crime cannot be underestimated, and that the more assets that we're able to preserve at the outset, the better for our country, sir.
Mr. Secretary, I'm very sorry for such a reasoning like that. Alam mo, nakikinig
I'm very
ang
sorry,
buong
sir.
bansa.
Also, sir, I'm very sorry too if you do not agree with me. But I respect your opinion, sir, and we will carry out our job as we deem fit, as we see.
Mr. Chair, I said
that the
I
country
am not
needs.
expressing an opinion here. I am articulating the provision of law. You do not change the provision of law, Mr. Secretary. You may be disbarred from doing this.
Then it's your opinion, sir. It's your option, sir.
Sinabi ko na nga, hindi ko opinion ito.
Oh,
I am
batas
Then
ito.
it's your option,
articulating
sir.
the provision of
It
law.
is what you wish to happen.
Boyeng Rimulya.
That you may proceed
Ikaw ang
with what you
nagbibigay
wish.
ng opinion, nilalagay mo yung restitution to test the goodwill of a possible applicant.
Kami
It is
din.
not in the
Law
law.
ang
Unless you are able to point out the provision of law that it come before.
Dito mga
Hindi
kababayan,
ganun eh.
talaga pong
Sabi mo na nga, and we
pinapakita lang
admitted,
ni
impliedly
Marcoleta na ito yung
instituted
batas.
ang civil
Bakit mo
liability, but this will come
binabalik
eventually
itong batas
after
na
the
ito?
court has pronounced kung
Tigas ng
magkano
mukha.
ibabalik niya kung meron man. Not before. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Are you done, Senator Marcoleta?
Tigas ng mukha ni Boying
Okay.
Remulla.
So next in
Sapat
line
to.
is Senator Padilla. Please limit your question kay Secretary Remulla.
Apo, gusto ko lamang pong sabihin kay Secretary, pangalagaan na lang po si Engineer Henry Alcantara. Yun lang po.
Opo, salamat po.
Thank you. Senator De La Rosa.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Point of clarification lang ito sa akin, Mr. Chair, dahil ito mga diskayas, para mukhang nagbigay na ito ng affidavit in the previous hearings. Gusto natin na may resulta kaagad ito investigation natin. Baka pwedeng isama na rin yung affidavit nila, sir, na evaluate ng DOJ para isang bagsakan na lang yung pagpahil ng kaso. Dahil marami sila binanggit na mga pangalan ng mga congressman.
As a matter of fact, undergoing evaluation.
Undergoing home, Mr. Chair.
DOJ.
DOJ on
Sir, we met with them already and we will meet again with them tomorrow. Kasi nawala nga yung kahapon, sir. No? We lost the time yesterday. We were supposed to meet yesterday. Hindi lang po natuloy.
Yes, sir. Mr. Chair, just para mas maganda kung isang bagsakan na makuha na sana lahat yan, mapaila na kagad,
Opo, opo.
mas maganda. Thank you. Thank you lang, Mr. Chair.
Thank you,
Salamat.
Senator Rafi.
Yeah, Mr. Chair, to Secretary Mulya, wala nga talaga sa batas yung bang magsoli muna ng pera para ikaw ay mapasok sa WPP. Pero kung pagbabasihan natin yung kagusto ng taong bayan, ang gagalitin ng galit ng taong bayan,
Ito, gamit-gamit
na gusto nilang
naman ito ni
magpakita ng
Rapi
goodwill,
Tulfo ang taong
yung
bayan.
accused bago
Ang
siya
gusto ng
magpunta
taong
sa
bayan,
WPP. Siguro mas maganda kung sundin
maalaman
natin
kung
yung
sino ang
kagusto ng taong
mastermind
bayan,
niyan.
right?
Opo.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Yes,
Yes, also,
Senator.
I would like to manifest that hindi ko alam kung nakikinig ho tayong lahat, yung sigaw ng taong bayan na libo-libo
Pero ito
sa
magkapatid
People
na ito,
Power
puro taong
Monument
bayan
sa
ang
Luneta.
ginagamit.
Hindi lang po
Kakapal yung
pagnanakaw,
mukha.
they were also shouting, ibalik yung pera nila. And I believe the Secretary of Justice heard that. And I believe Malacanang heard that. Kaya nga po, dito po sa mga kontraktor, mga opisyal, isole ninyo ang pera ng taong bayan. Hindi po batas ang pinag-uusapan. Wala ho tayong pakialam sa batas. Sometimes, you have to bend the law to be able to please the people. Mas mataas po ang taong bayan sa batas. Am I right, Secretary Remulla?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Chairman. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Ang mga bugo ko,
Second round. Senator Pangilinan.
Just to lower the decibels and the stress,
tayo na talaga ito
the
mga
stress
walang
that
alam
comes
sa
with
batas.
high
Constitution yan.
emotions.
Diyos ko,
Ginoong,
Erwin Tulfo, anong tigas ng mukha
Secretary
mo?
Remulla, si
Ang
Ginoong
tigas ng mukha mo.
Hernandez halimbawa,
Bugo ka ba?
sinurrender na sa ICI, no? Yung ilang vehicles at sinasabi niyang willing pa siyang mag-surrender ng Lamborghini. I mean, that's his voluntary act. If Engineer Alcantara will do the same voluntarily as a sign of goodwill, there is no law that prevents him from doing that. Therefore, we this restitution issue, while it is the law, does not prevent the government from being broader, mas malawak ang kanyang pag-implementa ng mga programa at mga batas, lalo na pag voluntary ang pagbigay ng mga malalaking, yung mga mamahaling sasakyan, voluntaring ilabas itong isurrender ang mga pondo, etc. Hindi po ba?
Opo. Sa karanasan ko kasi, pag inintay po natin yung court judgment na maging final para isurrender po ang lahat, baka wala, puti na mga mata natin, wala pa hong nangyayari. Kaya habang maaga po, we try to get as much para ho maibalik na po sa taong bayan yung dapat hong ibalik.
In fact,
May
yung
babalik ba
pagbabalik
talaga?
is a sign of
Baka sa mga
cooperation,
bulsa lang ninyo.
which the courts will eventually consider when it sentences or if it provides the exemption and the immunity. Hindi po ba?
Opo.
So that should guide itong ating mga testigong nais mag-apply sa Witness Protection Program. Kapag kayo ay nagko-cooperate, ito ay magiging senyales sa ating korte na maaring ma-grant ang exclusion and exemption and immunity. At the same time, kung may sentensya, pati iyon, mapapababa pa among others. For the record, Mr. President.
Tama po.
Thank you. Yes, Senator JB.
Just last point before the Secretary brings Engineer Alcantara. Anyway, nagkatama yung haka-haka natin that Engineer Alcantara might just be the missing link to the higher officials that the people have been longing for. No? Nabanggit niya si Yusek Bernardo, Saldico, and some other legislators. So, I'm hoping that, Mr. Chair, that he will be back so that we can pursue further. And ang sabi ko na kay Secretary Remulla, I hope that you can evaluate further kasi mukhang very vital and very yung kanya pong testimony or yung kanya affidavit is very vital dun sa ating pong pursuit of going after the big fishes finally. So I hope that he can be considered really to become